these are the main elevators at the Hyatt Regency, Pittsburgh International Airport, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Which floor?
3, please.
3. Let's go up to 11.
Thank you.
These are ThyssenDovers from 2001. Much faster than the other one. Here are 3.
Thank you.
There you go.
Have a good morning.
You too. Here we go. I have to say these go 350 feet a minute. Let's go back down to 1. Oh yeah, looks like we have to get early morning view. Here we go. Just like the motor lobby elevator, early 2000s impulse, hands-free 88 code compliant phone. There's your indicator. That's supposed to say ThyssenKrupp. Stop you 3. Going down?
Yep.
Which floor? Lobby?
Yep.
Yard 1. Alright, send this one up. Or go send this one up. There goes that elevator. And now we're gonna ride this one. Sorry, that was my waves going off. Let's go up to 11. Here we go. Here are 11. Let's get a view out here. There's the short-term parking garage with the Otises. There's the toll plaza for exit, which accepts a Go Fast Pass, which is basically a registered Easy Pass transponder. Pittsburgh International Airport. There's the airside terminal. Right there is only the landside terminal. There's the lower level parking lot. Let's get a look around here. Here are the elevators. We'll get back on them in a few minutes. Not sure where the service elevators are, but I'm not risking it. This one's locked up, of course. Believe the service elevator might be in here. There's ice and venting in there. Nice scenery. Oh, and there's the runway as well. And we're gonna have to wait for one. Got the same one. Let's look at the shaft. Dover blue. Let's go down to 1. Here at 1. Going up.